Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Look what it's doing. What are they doing, everyone? Oh my god. Okay, let's catch this one first. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, where they are mating, everyone. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. What's wrong? Inside the hole there. I guess this hole is scorpion. This is the hole of scorpion. Okay, now let's dig inside the hole to find what is inside. Okay, I used to find scorpion, so I know the hole of scorpion. Come on. Yeah, this guy. Inside. Water. Okay, come on. Yes. Let's go. And now let's open all this. Wow, this one also big, everyone. See, ooh, see here. Wow. One more over there inside. Inside there. Yeah. Ooh, there's a hole inside. Here. What inside the hole? Oh my god. Ooh. Here. Oh my god. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. How big it is. Oh, it looks like a big snake. This millipede look like a big snake. My god. Oh. Okay, now we have this scorpion and this big millipede. Oh my god. Now let's put the scorpion inside this together. Okay, now totally we got here the scorpion and the millipede. Look, they are so amazing creature. Do you think the millipede have the poison inside? But I think they have. So when you touch them, be careful. Don't use your own hand. You have to wear glove or have chopstick or another equipment, because we don't know who. I heard that the millipede has the most strongest poison inside the body, so we have to be careful when we hunt them, and be careful with your children when they see the scorpion, because the scorpion has two weapons with a big claw and poison at the tails. Okay, now I have finished the video, and I hope you guys love watching it, and don't forget to click like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye bye, have a good day everyone.